This is a Haier window air conditioner, 5,000 BTU. Okay, there it is. Okay, 5,000 BTU. It's a window unit. It's got the little baffles on each side. Keeps the cold air out, or warm air out. Keeps the cool air in. Anyway, let me turn it on for you. It's got some switches on the front. It's got a power switch in the front. It's got a little temperature switch down below. So the way it works is this. When it turns on, it runs nicely. Makes good cool air. So if you have questions, contact me, or there'll be other answers in the ad. So hope to hear from you. That's medium, it's fan speed, that's high. So 5,000 BTU. Alright, talk to you later. Bye bye.